Japan you sailed with light, where wisdom shone like stars at night. You learned their ways, you walked their land, with humble heart and open hand. China called, but heaven knew. Your final breath was breaking through on Sanction's lonely windswept shore. You gave your soul to God once more. Francis Xavier, burning bright, messenger of Christ's pure light. From Navarre to Asia skies, your mission lives, it never